Hey guys, today I'm going to do a quick unboxing video of the Aquor water system's new hot and cold hydrant. They're just releasing this. I was able to get my hands on one of the first releases, as they are a local company here in Washington State. Let's see. If you live anywhere in Europe, you'll recognize the color scheme on this box. Looks very similar to Nord, post Nord, exact same colors. Very strange. Anyway, here we go. Let's see what we have inside. Cardboard. Spin it around. And a few boxes. The first box has the handle itself. Let's see. So that's nice that they include one of those in each one. Not sure what that is, if it comes off or not. Oh, okay, that's just a protection. And that might be a vacuum brake. I'll find out about that later. And then some advertising. We're actually doing feedback. Alright, we'll put that aside for now. Get the lid box. Let's see what we got here. So this would be the main body. Okay, so we got a template with an arrow for up, I would assume. Okay, that's good. Put that aside. The instructions. Alright. Check those out. And all the components, in case you need to replace something, you can call out the part. Alright, that looks similar to this as far as operations goes. I don't know anything more about it. This is pretty massive. Some more stuff in the box, I think. Now let's check this out. So, looks like it's gonna be like that. That's where that goes in. Hot and cold. I would say this probably weighs about like 3-4 pounds. I feel like it's very strong. The connections here on the back. Actually, I'll leave that one on. Alright, that's a very good looking device. And you can see it has a natural camber to it there, so that it's always going to tilt down to perfectly drain. So let's see what we got. If there's anything else in the box. We got some mounting screws, I believe. And that is it. So, okay. We got the valve, or the hydrant, instructions. And we got 5 mounting screws, probably stainless steel. The template. And then, I believe, 2 different connections. I'm going to be making an outdoor shower for my boys and my dog. So we will be doing that project here fairly soon. And yeah, we'll see you in that one. Just read on the bottom here. It says it's rated for 125 psi, 140 degrees Fahrenheit. And disconnect after use. Hydrant must be drained to provide freeze protection. That makes complete sense. Alright, please like and subscribe. I will see you in the next one.